Okay, so we're gonna go see how much the maintenance is for your valve adjustments. Hey, how you doing? How much are the valve adjustments for a 26 Raptor?
The first one, and then you don't do it again until like 100 hours or so.
Oh, gotcha.
Oil change, typically, service change, do the air filter, adjust cables, lights, check the fluids and stuff like that. There'll be service itself, like right around $300. Adding the valve adjustment, it's an hour to check the valves, and it's an additional hour to adjust them. So if we're in spec, it's an hour. Hour's 165. If it's out of spec, I'll add another hour, so it'll become 330. All said and done, if you're out of spec on the valves with service, I'll spitball you a number, probably like 600, somewhere in there.
Okay, so I got a breakdown of what you need to get. We're gonna do the cost for your first maintenance. So it's gonna be around 600 bucks, 500 to 600 bucks, but let's go over that. So for your Raptor 700, these are gonna be the costs, or you could save $260 to $280 on the oil service by doing it yourself. The recommended valve check is going to be $165 just for the checkup. If they need to do the adjustment, it could go up to $330. So that depends on if they need to make adjustments. Not every quad is going to need adjustments. If you go check out the how-to oil change video, you could do it yourself and you could save. So I'm going to full synthetic after the third oil change. So right now it's $10 a quart. When you upgrade to full synthetic, there will be 20 a quart. Your filter is 20 bucks. The O-ring is going to be $12.99, and then your washer is $5.99. I'll be doing a full review on the next upload with the Pro Taper hour meter, putting it to the test, letting you know what I think about it. So join me on that one, and I'll see you next time.